Thanks. Good morning, everyone. My project is called Accessible Video Cards, and I wanted to address one of the specific accessibility problems. I'm passionate about different accessibility topics, and I'm passionate about researching how modern technologies can actually help us address the real needs of people with different types of disabilities. Well, I hope you know about the phenomenon called color blindness. Well, color blindness means that people may be unable to actually see certain shades of green or red, or sometimes blue and yellow, though that's quite rare in practice. And I was really wondering what we can do for them to make it easier for them to interact with web applications, and specifically with communication applications built with WebRTC. So, first of all, how many people are affected by that? There is no exact stats, but based on my research in Europe for the white male population, stats says that it's about 8%. It's a huge number of people, right? And how we can help them? Well, there are several approaches that modern software is using. One is just, change the colors that's used for the graphical user line. But then we left with the things that we cannot control, like the videos, maybe real-time videos. And so the other approach is applying special color filters to the images. And there is quite a bit of math behind it. There's quite a bit of research that was done on that topic in the past. So I can tell you there is some complex math associated with that. But how we apply that math? Well, there are several approaches. We can do it by pre-processing videos. That's great, but certainly not applicable to the real-time conversations. We can do it on the operating system level, but then it's dependent on the operating system and requires pre-configuration. Well, we can use some system-wide third-party software that affects the whole screen image. That's fine as well, but that software typically is quite expensive. And then we can go with the application-level approach. Well, that may be easier to control if you have a native app, but what about the web app? I never saw that aspect addressed. So this is why I wanted to try and do my own demo here. All right. Now I'm switching to the TADHack Olympus client. That's the one that TADHack uses themselves and also offer to developers as a reference version. I use that one, but for my demo purpose, I actually modified it. All right. All right, here we go. And so I modified the client in a way that I can still use my own image and I can see the remote image. In this case, it's the same because I'm running two clients on my browser, but it's good because what I can show you is that I have now an option to apply real-time video filter right in browser and right on top of my image. I don't know if you will be able to see that easily on the screen. Because the colors themselves may be more difficult to see, but anyway, because I'm using two images here, and one of them is modified. I hope you can see the one on the right side. Now it has some of the colors slightly faded away. Can you see it? Yeah. So this is it. So I can apply any of the specific filters. Here I have 3 filters for the 3 typical types of color blindness disability that are generally met these days. So that's about it. That's my demo, and that's the whole idea of my project. Well, thank you very much, guys, and I mean, you will find my contacts.
Very cool. Judges, any questions?
Did you test it on online people?
Well, I wouldn't be able to do it right at this hackathon. Actually, I don't know if in the audience there are some people who suffer from that. I mean, but in general, I know that was tested certainly, and that research that I showed you, that's a real paper. You can check the link that they provided. They did test it certainly.
Great.